Data Privacy Advisor also provides a number of features and functionalities that allow you to take advantage of the content in the actual platform itself. The first one of these is our foldering functionality. So foldering allows you to organize content, collaborate with colleagues, and make your work and research more effective and efficient. What I can do as a user is create my own sets of folders that are customizable. I can create subfolders, and what I can then do is start to organize parts and snippets of content and full resources across the Data Privacy Advisor platform. So I can then save that within the actual system itself. What I can then do is collaborate with colleagues as and when I need to too. So if you're, for example, got 4-5 users of Data Privacy Advisor across the business, you can add them as users who can access this folder, and then you're effectively able to collaborate and leverage the content together using the platform itself. In terms of how you then access content and add it to the folders, I could do that by accessing a resource here. So for example, if I select this recently added document around email marketing, what I can do is highlight resources if I want to add snippets of documents to a folder, but I could also, as you can see here, add content and whole documents to folders as well by clicking on this folder icon, and again it will give me the option of which folder I want to add it to. Another functionality we've also added is the highlighting functionality. So this will allow you to actually highlight content as you're doing your research. So for example, I highlight this snippet of text here, I can add a notation, and that's then going to be saved in my platform. So I can see that when I come to this document again. If I wanted to do a lot of research and put it all into this document, I can then download this resource. That's then going to be add those annotations to that download. So I could then, for example, share that with colleagues or print it off for my own use if I want to read it offline, for example, as well. And finally, you can also download any resource that you find within the platform as well. So if you want to download, print, or email the resource, it's going to download it in a format which allows you to then read through and access that later on. There's also the ability to add annotations to the entire document. So if you're in a document, you can add an annotation and you'll then be able to see that content. And finally, we can also, either from the home screen or this icon at the top here, we can also see and view our history as well. So this is going to show us all the resources that we've looked at in the past, all the searches we've performed across specific dates, and that's of course going to allow us to potentially show the research we've done, but also to look at things, and maybe we're returning to things quite a bit, so we can have the ability to access that content as well.